Hello there YouTube, TechSavagepro here, and today I'm going to be showing you an actual Cydia alternative. Now, I've been doing other Cydia alternatives in the past. As you know, I've done Tutu, Ignition, Tweakbox. I think I've done App Valley in the past, or a Snapchat hack that includes App Valley, something like that. But today I'm going to be actually showing you an actual Cydia alternative, except it's hacked and it's completely free. Now, this goes to a huge thanks for this video to Apple. Of course, all the links that I'm going to be using in this video will be in the description below, so you can go check them out yourself. And of course, the link for Apple's Twitter will be in the description as well, so you can go ahead and give him a thank you for making this possible. Now, the actual app is called ZU Store or something like that. Of course, the link will be in the description one more time. But it's basically a hack of a $20 Cydia alternative. But today I'm going to show you how to get it for free. So this is a really cool app. It has a ton of different features on it. You can get Windows, you can get Cydia. It's absolutely insane, and you don't have to have a jailbreak or anything. And it's usually $20, but again, you're going to be able to get it for free. So let's get straight into it. Now, again, like I said, huge thanks to Apple. He made this possible, but just like any other profile that I've showed you how to download, once you get to the site, which is like ZUE Store, something like that, go ahead and just click install. Go ahead and click install at the top right. Again, once you get there, just go ahead and enter your password, if you do have one. So I apologize if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm actually sick right now. But once you get there and you enter your password, go ahead and click install at the bottom, and then from there click done. Now you're good to go. You can hit the home button or swipe up if you're on a newer device, and then of course you can launch it. Now there's actually 3 functions right here, more like 2. The third one shows you basically how to use it. The second one shows you how to like browse the repo list, and the first one is extract repo. Now if you click the second one, which is browse repo, you can actually go ahead and copy the URL to a bunch of different repos. So these are repos, these aren't actual website links, so you must use them within the app. So this actually connects to your Safari and opens it within there, but go ahead and just copy it. Now once you have your repo copied, just go ahead and double tap and then paste. It's going to give you a prompt. It'll say like processing 4 out of 5. The neat thing about this is it actually kind of looks like you're jailbroken or jailbreaking your device, so that's a pretty neat feature, I think. And then another thing is it'll actually kind of give a Cydia or like jailbreak-like theme once you decide to install something. And I'll show you how to like later do that if it's not the fault in the app. But once you get here, you can choose from a bunch of different apps within the repo. So for example, we're just going to be doing Popcorn Time, which is an app that basically lets you watch movies, brand new movies that are either just now in theaters or haven't even come out yet. But as you can tell, you could just click install, and then once it gets through, you can just go ahead and click on it. You don't have to verify or do anything, and it's pretty simple. So if you do install this, you have to scroll all the way down and then click verify. You do not have to be a patron of this, but it can remove some of the Popcorn Time apps or ads, I mean, but that is just for that specific app, and there are ways to remove it by just getting an ad blocker. So other than that, that's one of the few many apps that you can get using this. Again, huge thanks to Apple, of course, his Twitter, and the links to this app will be in the description below, so please go ahead and check that out and give him a huge follow and thanks, because he did send me this. He did make this, actually. He made the hacked version of this, and again, usually this would be like $20, but he actually is kind enough to go ahead and let you have it for free. So go ahead and give him a thank you. But again, as always, hope you like this video. If you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure that those bell notifications are on. Again, I apologize for being sick, but the grind never stops. But again, peace out. See you in the next one. Make sure you hit that like button. And yeah.